out your name. Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name.
Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us and we can stay up all night. Kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do. Staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my hand. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Be with you. Didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us and we could stay up all night. Kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do. Staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. Hold your hand.
Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So I got a little bit of a Grizzly update. I know I haven't really done much talking in the background, but this is the Grizzly 600. I've been rebuilding slash building. So I've been fighting an electrical gremlin with this thing since I pretty much bought it. The starter button would sometimes work, sometimes it wouldn't. So let me tell you all I did. Got a brand new electrical harness, brand new on-off switch here. This entire switch is brand new. Brand new relays, brand new starter, actual relay back there, and still nothing. Nothing would work. So I bought two more relays because I'm pretty sure those ended up burning up, and I bought a brand new computer. Now we're gonna see if it was the computer the whole time, and I might have wasted my money on the harness, maybe not. The harness that was on it anyway was pretty shot. 20-year-old harness. It's been through a lot. But anyway. We just got done putting in the new shock back here. Huge difference in how it moves now. Huge difference. There's really not much of a comparison. It almost makes the front shocks feel bad, which is funny. Yeah, let me show you guys. Oh yeah, look at that. It's ready for some weight now. If I load this thing up back here. And we also got this for the Grizzly, which is right up here. We got a coal pin back, what do you call it? Cargo box, sorry. I'm so tired from reorganizing the garage. I don't really, can't really even speak today. But yeah, this is the new cargo box that we have. It's replacing the old one because the old one is just trash. I thought that thing would at least last a little bit. Nope. Ripped real bad back here on one of the trips that I took out in Pennsylvania. It was just junky. Real junky little cargo pack. Looks nice, but it only lasts a ride or two. What's the point of it? So I got an actual plastic one this time. So like I said, all we're waiting for now is the that one little computer there. And then we're done. We got brand new grips. Like I said, pretty much everything is brand new. Even this plastic piece here is brand new. I don't know where to go with this. It's just everything has been replaced. Four-wheel drive is in line again. I blew it out when I was in Pennsylvania. We had to re-weld in some brand new mounts. So almost all the mounts down here are brand new. At this point, just about all of them, and yeah, there shouldn't be, hopefully at least, any problems in the future going forward with it. Let's see, even the four-wheel drive shaft is brand new, and it's been all it's been gone through. I just greased it real well, just put it that way. It's definitely greased up. I'm actually looking here. That looks like some mud. Oh, I know what that's from. I was like, how did mud get in here? I forgot the garage door was open. I think I got some mud on there from that. Like, what is that? Yep. But the new winch is on here too. That's all wired up. My custom bumper build here is all done. Built this from complete scratch, which I think for my first bumper isn't too bad. I just wanted something kind of simple, but way more heavy duty than what was on there originally. So not only is the frame perfect now, this is perfect. We got the winch in the front. Like I said, we're ready. I'm pretty much ready to go on another trip to Pennsylvania. We fixed all the boot issues. It's got 5W40 diesel synthetic oil in it now, and that has made a huge difference in how it starts and runs. It's like night and day. People think I'm crazy using diesel oil on this, but it runs great. We got the exhaust is holding up great too that I welded up. That's a Ducati muffler, and it just sounds perfect with this. We have the brand new genuine Yamaha key. So we got that now too. Everything is wired up at this point. I'm just waiting on this one computer, and I would see if it works with these new relays, but I don't want to burn up those relays because I don't want to spend any more money on this than I already have, which really isn't much. I think total it's like about $800 I have into it. I even got brand new switch here. What do you call it? There's like a brake switch. That's brand new too. Brakes worked great now. Yeah, brakes work great. I don't really got much else to really say. The only other thing I have to mount up is the guard down below. And then we're good. We are gonna be good with this. Hopefully, at least. Let's fingers crossed that everything's gonna be good. Oh, there is one more thing. We got a brand new cover back here for the light, so that's nice too. So, yep, that's my little update on the Grizzly. Stay tuned. I can't wait. Hopefully this week we're back on this thing, and once this is done, trying to think what project we're going to be going to next. The 2 go-karts seem the most reasonable to go to next, as in we're going to paint them and just get probably the Yerf Dog going first. Yerf Dog does need a new clutch. That needs a new clutch. Well, let's not even go too far into that because we got too many updates to do. This is just starting to catch up a little bit. So, on that note, that's the Grizzly update as of February, I think I said 9th, right? February 9th or 7th, 8th, 9th? February 9th. Yeah, I get paid this upcoming week. February 9th. Alright, YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters, signing out for now.